Welcome to Cooking Trails. Today we are making Cafe Mocha Smoothie. Stay tuned till the end. We are using few ingredients for this smoothie. Start with banana. Peel one banana. This is 1 tablespoon coffee diluted in 2 tablespoons of hot water. 200 ml of milk. 2 tablespoons of dry roasted oats, banana pieces and 1 tablespoon of melted chocolate. This is simple smoothie. Just combine all ingredients in blender jar. Blend it until a smooth texture. Smoothie is done. Serve it with ice and drops of melted chocolate. Try this little healthier version of Cafe Mocha Smoothie. Like, share, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to Cooking Trails. Thanks for watching.